Hey guys, on this video I will be sharing with you how you can market your product on WhatsApp and get your customers to buy from you on a daily basis. Now if this is something that you would love, then you want to watch this video till the end, and also make sure that you like and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And if this is the first time you are coming on my channel, I want to say welcome. I love you so much. Make sure you check the description of this video to learn about other videos that I have on this channel. So let's get into it, guys. How can you actually on a daily basis sell your product and get people to buy from you on WhatsApp? Let's get into it. So here we are, guys. How to get 1,000 customers to WhatsApp us every day. All right, so how you can get 1,000 customers to reach out to us on WhatsApp on a daily basis, so that we can nurture them, we can sell our product to them whenever it is that we want to sell product. Now imagine how much you will be making if 1,000 people reach out to you every day in a month. That is how many days? That is 30,000 people. And if you're able to convert, if you're able to convert just 10% of them, then you are on your way to making a lot of money, guys. So this is something that you really want to master. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to actually define the customers that you want to reach out to you. So who are the people you want to buy your product? Who are the people that are your customers? You must be clear exactly on who your customer is. Okay, are they stay-at-home moms? Are they students? Are they professionals? Are they doctors? Are they nurses? Are they teachers? Are they network marketers? Are they coaches? Whatever your customer is, you need to be clear on that. All right, so now you know who your customer is. The next thing you want to know is what stage of their life are they in right now? At what stage in their life are they in? So what is it they are going through? What are the things they are experiencing? What are the pain points they are having? What are the problems they are facing on a daily basis that they would need solution for? Also, you want to ask yourself, what exactly solution are they looking for? All right, so are they pregnant moms that want to give birth? Are they looking for skincare that will help them take acne away? Are they looking for, food that their kids can be eating so that they can be healthy? Are they looking to lose weight? Are they looking to lose belly fat? Are they looking to get married? Are they looking for ways in which they can attract men to their life so that they can get married? So you want to ask yourself, what stage in the life of your customers are they in? What solution are they actually looking for right now? So if you are able to define exactly what pain they have, what solution they have, the next thing you want to do is to create a lead magnet. All right, so you want to create a lead magnet that you would use in magneting, attracting them to yourselves. All right, so just like the name implies, it is a lead magnet, a magnet that you use in attracting your customers. So a lead magnet is something you give out to your prospective buyers, something you will give to your prospective customers, something you will give out to the people you want to buy your products. Now you can decide to do it for free, and you can decide to give it at a low cost. All right, so you can decide to give it a free magnet. You can decide to do it for a low cost, maybe 500 naira, or 1,000 naira. But I love the free magnet. Why? Because a lot of people, mostly in our Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria, they love free things, right? So giving them free things that is valuable will get more people as compared to, pricing it, right? So you decide exactly what you want to do. But if you want to price it, I would advise that you price it at a low cost, maybe 1,000 naira, all right, so that you can get lots of people. All right, so you must decide the solution that your magnet will be solving. Remember, you have known your customers and the problem they have and the solution they are looking for. You want to create a lead magnet that will solve that problem exactly for them. They must get results. All right, they must get results at the end of using that lead magnet, at the end of watching, at the end of reading, at the end of using whatever lead magnet you're creating. They must get a result that solves a problem for them so that they can reach out to you to get more results. Do you understand? So you just don't want to create any kind of lead magnet. You want to create a lead magnet that is solving a particular problem for them. So for instance, you're a skincare person. You want to create a lead magnet that's solving a problem on pimples, maybe dark spots, right? So solving a dark spot problem, it does not mean that the pimples, they will not have pimples again. That is when you want to they will now come to you when they now have pimples, right? So you want to give them a solution that when they use that and get results, they would want to come to you afterwards when they have a particular problem that your product will be solving. Also, before you give them that lead magnet, you want to get their information. You want to get their contact. So you want to request for their name, for their phone numbers, and for their email address. Okay, so these are the three things you want to request from them before you give them the lead magnet. All right, so haven't decided on which of the lead magnets you want to create. Remember, we said that the lead magnet should be a solution for your customers. So if your customers is having dark spots, you want to give them a lead magnet that will teach them how to take away dark spots from their faces. If it's glowing skin, you want to give them a lead magnet that will give them something that will glow their skin. When they use that thing, their skin should glow immediately. It can be glow your skin for 5 days, glow your skin for 15 days, glow your skin for 30 days, take away dark spot for 30 days, take away, whatever it is for 30 days. It could be lose weight, lose 5 kg for 10 days, lose 5 kg for 20 days, right? At the end of that 20 days, they should be able to lose weight, or they should be able to lose their belly fat, whatever it is that you are giving them. Now, having created that lead magnet, the next thing you want to do is to drive traffic to your lead magnet. Now, driving traffic to your lead magnet, you can do that the organic way or the paid way. But because we are looking for 1,000 people to reach us on WhatsApp, we would be using the paid way to actually drive traffic. So the paid way is for us to run advertising on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, whatever platform you know how to run ads on. You want to use that to run ads to drive traffic to your lead magnet. Lot of people need to know that you have created a solution on how to take away dark spots. Lot of people need to know that you have created a solution on how to lose weight without going to the gym. All right, so you want to create lead magnets that will get people's attention and drive traffic to it using Facebook advertising. Remember, if you don't drive traffic to it, they would not know. All right, so for people to actually know that you have solution for them, you need to drive traffic to it using Facebook ads. All right, so the next thing you want to do all right, is they need to reach out to you on WhatsApp. All right, so before you start creating your ads, you want to first get a customized WhatsApp message that they will need to click on the ad. So before running your Facebook ads, one thing you must do is to customize a WhatsApp message. All right, so when you customize a WhatsApp message, you would use that link on your Facebook advertising. So when they click to, enter their name, their email address, and their phone number, that Facebook, that WhatsApp link that you have customized will drive them to your WhatsApp. All right, so as they click that link on the ads that you're running, it will drive them to your WhatsApp. Now the message that you will customize that they would use in reaching you on WhatsApp would read something like, "Hello Grace, I want to get your ebook on how to get customers every day." All right, so this is one of the lead that I have created for my business. So you want to create your own lead. Your own could be, as a skincare expert, how to lose weight or how to lose belly fat. All right, so you want to customize a link so that when they come, you will know that they are coming from the ad, right? Because it is the ads that you have that link on. So when they reach out to you, then you can now give them the link, the lead magnet as promised. So this is how you can actually get 1,000 people to reach out to you on WhatsApp on a daily basis. Now, if peradventure you don't know how to do this and you would want to learn exactly step by step how you can do this that I have shared, then you want to click the description of this video and get the WhatsApp lead generator course. All right, there I have shared how you can create all of this and also how you can run ads and customize message that will get people to your WhatsApp. So you want to click the description of this video to get the course. All right, guys, if you have found value in this video, I want you to give it a thumb up, like it, also subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. All right, set the notification buttons on so that whenever I put out a video, you will be the first to know and start implementing immediately so that you can get results even before others do. All right, guys, I will see you again on another video. Until then, have a wonderful day.